right, so we're in Odenville, Alabama. A little SSP Mustang in front of us. Along with Mr. Robert here, fixing to go to Mecum Kissimmee. Gonna be going across the blocks on Friday,
January 5th.
January 5th. What can you tell us about this baby?
This is a 1992 South Carolina SSP. It's a 3-owner car. The guy that bought it originally was the 2nd owner from the auction. It's had 435 miles put on it since it was rescued from auction. There's never been anything done to it. Still has all the original paperwork, original tires. Interior is extremely nice. It's supposed to have graphics and everything, but when they sold them at auction, of course, they pulled all that stuff off. Still has the original exhaust.
Now this was a highway patrol car or belonged to a county?
Highway patrol.
How many miles?
82,000. Don't know the exact right this second, but it was sold in 1997.
82,930 something.
Correct. It had 435 miles since it was sold at auction in 1997.
You said how many miles? Say that one more time.
435.
Wow.
Yes.
So basically, as is from the auction.
From the auction, has original everything.
So when it left service, they basically just de-striped it, pulled all the light bars off.
Correct.
So it would have had a bar on top.
Stickers down the side.
Stickers down the side.
Yep. Yeah, and you can still see the glue in the doors, and you can see where the light bar was hung.
So tell me about the bumper color.
That is a 1 year only, 1992. I'm not real sure why they done that.
1 year only for South Carolina?
For South Carolina, correct.
That just matched the theme, I guess, of the car?
I guess. I know in 91 they were silver, and 92 they went to this charcoal gray.
Definitely unique.
Definitely different.
How many cars did South Carolina have, do you know?
I was told 41 in 92. And they were all 5 speeds.
What would have been on the dash there? Just the radio, radar, and stuff?
Correct, yep. Yep, all the police equipment. Of course, they decommissioned all that stuff once they sell them.
What other modifications did they do for the SSPs when they bought them?
Reinforced floorboards, bigger brakes, oil cooler. I think they're in here too. Yeah, they are. They're in here.
So 212 415, that's the unit number.
Yeah, and I think it's on the trunk too. Maybe. No. Some CHPs have them on the trunk. It's got the original antenna hole back here too. I don't know if you saw
Yeah,
that.
I saw that. I'll
Yeah,
show
I
it.
didn't know. We didn't draw attention, but yeah.
So how do you, it's got the buck tag is marked SSP. Can we see it?
PSO number on this one, I believe. It might even say South Carolina on it. Of course, it's dark and you can't hardly see it, but
that's how you tell it is. Can you see it?
it's right down there.
You
Shine the light on it. No, you can go catch
But
it.
that's how you tell it is a
Yeah, oh yeah.
real. And you got, what kind of documentation have you got with it?
Everything from when
You
they
got
bought it at auction.
Bill of sales, everything.
Yep.
Try to put that up on.
At 82,000. I don't know if that's a 5 or was it 50?
503, yeah.
Or 8, yeah.
So this is where it went. So it went to Bill Holt Ford.
This is where they sold it. Yeah, all this paperwork is where the original owner purchased it from the
So
state.
he bought it from the state through a dealer.
Correct, yes. And these are just copies. I do have the originals.
Cool.
And then some in-service photos of what the car would have looked like with the stripes and the light
Oh, that's
bar.
cool. So that's actually the car?
Yes, we believe so.
Don't know for sure.
Not for sure, no. But that's what it would have looked like.
That's definitely a unique bumper color for that year.
It is.
Yep.